Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Well, guess what? When it comes to affiliate marketing, AI is that game changer. We're talking about tools that can write your content, analyze your audience, even predict what people are going to buy before they even know it themselves. In this video, we're diving deep into 23 powerful ways AI can help you rake in those affiliate commissions like never before. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the future of affiliate marketing, and trust me, it's looking insanely profitable. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk keywords, the backbone of any successful online business. AI-powered keyword research tools are changing the game. These tools use machine learning to understand user intent, analyze search trends, and predict profitable keywords. Imagine plugging in a broad topic like fitness trackers and getting hyper-targeted long-tail keywords. It's like having a personal SEO expert working for you 24/7. Now, let's talk content. Creating high-quality, engaging content takes time, effort, and creativity. But AI can help with that too. AI writing tools generate blog posts, articles, social media captions, and video scripts. Trained on massive data sets, they produce natural-sounding, engaging content. Need a catchy intro for your YouTube video? AI can do that. Next up, let's talk email marketing. It's still one of the most powerful ways to connect with your audience and drive sales. AI is revolutionizing email marketing with hyper-personalization. AI crafts personalized campaigns by analyzing behavior and purchase history. It can even automate your entire email marketing funnel. Now, let's face it, providing exceptional customer support is crucial for any successful affiliate marketer. But answering the same questions over and over again? That can get real old real fast. That's where AI-powered chatbots come in. These virtual assistants can handle all your customer interactions 24/7 without you having to lift a finger. They can answer frequently asked questions, provide product recommendations, even process orders, and handle refunds. These AI-powered chatbots use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to customer queries in a human-like way. Imagine having a chatbot on your website that can guide visitors through your affiliate product recommendations, answer their questions in real time, and even offer personalized discounts and promotions. Predicting the future is key. In affiliate marketing, knowing what your audience wants before they do is like having a crystal ball. AI analyzes data to predict trends and behaviors with accuracy. Imagine knowing which products will be hot next season and which demographics will convert. It's like having a sixth sense, optimizing campaigns in real time and maximizing potential. Next up, let's talk social media. Managing multiple platforms and creating engaging content can feel like a full-time job. But what if you could automate your entire social media strategy? AI-powered tools allow you to do just that. From scheduling posts to analyzing engagement, these tools save you hours. Imagine having your content calendar planned weeks in advance. AI can also help you create more engaging content by analyzing preferences. Let's face it, video is king when it comes to online content. But creating high-quality, engaging videos that capture attention and drive conversions? That can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not a professional video editor. Well, guess what? AI is here to democratize video creation. AI-powered video editing tools are making it easier than ever to create professional-looking videos, even if you have zero video editing experience. These tools can automatically transcribe your videos, add subtitles, create engaging transitions, even remove background noise and enhance your audio quality. Imagine turning your smartphone footage into a polished, professional-looking video that's optimized for engagement and conversions. Next up, let's talk about the future of search voice search. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, More and more people are using their voices to search for information, shop for products, and even make purchases online. For affiliate marketers, this presents a huge opportunity. By optimizing your content for voice search, you can ensure that your website, blog posts, and even your affiliate product recommendations are showing up in those voice search results. AI-powered tools can help you identify the most relevant voice search keywords for your niche, analyze your content for voice search optimization, and even suggest changes to make your content more voice-friendly. Let's talk about advertising. Specifically, the power of AI to supercharge your ad campaigns. Gone are the days of blindly throwing money at ads and hoping for the best. AI-powered ad platforms can analyze massive data sets to identify your ideal customers, understand their interests and behaviors, and even predict which ad creatives and messaging will resonate most effectively. Imagine running ad campaigns that are so laser-targeted that your ads feel like personalized recommendations, appearing in front of the right people at the right time with the right message. These platforms can even automate your ad bidding, budget allocation, and campaign optimization, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your advertising budget and maximizing your return on investment. Next up, let's talk about the importance of understanding your audience's emotions. What are people saying about your brand, your content, and the affiliate products you're promoting? AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can help you answer these questions with remarkable accuracy. By analyzing social media comments, online reviews, and even forum discussions, these tools can determine the overall sentiment towards your brand and identify areas where you can improve. Imagine knowing instantly whether a particular affiliate product is generating positive buzz or negative feedback, allowing you to adjust your promotions accordingly. It's like having a finger on the pulse of your audience's emotions, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that improve your brand reputation and boost your affiliate marketing success. In the competitive world of affiliate marketing, it's crucial to know what your competitors are up to. What kind of content are they creating? AI-powered tools can give you a deep dive into their strategies, tracking keyword rankings and social media activity. Stay one step ahead and dominate your niche. Let's talk SEO, the lifeblood of any successful online business. Ranking high in search engine results pages, or SERPs, is crucial for driving organic traffic. SEO is constantly evolving, with algorithms changing rapidly. AI-powered tools can analyze your website, identify issues, and suggest improvements. Imagine an AI SEO assistant optimizing your site and driving more organic traffic. Let's talk about pricing, a crucial factor in any affiliate marketing strategy. Setting the right price for your products or services can make or break your success. AI-powered dynamic pricing tools can help you find that pricing sweet spot, maximizing your profits while still staying competitive. These tools analyze a wide range of factors, including competitor pricing, demand fluctuations, even customer behavior and purchase history, to determine the optimal price for your products in real time. Imagine having your prices automatically adjust based on demand, ensuring that you're always offering competitive rates while maximizing your earning potential. It's like having a personal pricing strategist working 24/7 to ensure that you're getting the most out of every sale. Finally, let's talk about affiliate link management. As an affiliate marketer, you're dealing with a lot of links. Keeping track of all those links, ensuring they're properly formatted, and even cloaking them for aesthetics and brand consistency can be a real headache. AI-powered affiliate link management tools are here to simplify your life. These tools can store all your affiliate links in one central location, automatically generate shortened and cloaked links, and even provide detailed analytics on your link clicks and conversions. Imagine having all your affiliate links organized, optimized, and easily accessible with just a few clicks. And there you have it. 23 ways AI can supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts and help you make money online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to ClickRick Makes You Money, and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new content. Also, check out the links in the description for some of the AI tools mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Start leveraging these tools today and watch your online income soar. May the good Lord bless and keep you.